Alright family, I wanted to give you a view of the famous Coliseum in Rome. So, much like our football stadiums in the US, the cheap seats are all the way at the top, and the good seats, as you can see here, usually reserved for senators and the like, are down here closer to where the games are taking place. There was a wooden floor that covered the whole bottom space there, most of which has been uncovered so that you can see the underground corridors and chasms and caves and alleyways that really supported the games. And see, what would happen is that many of those support lifts and springs and such, so that through wooden doorways in the floor, once a gladiator was put out there, he didn't know whether or not a door would open and a lion would come out, or a bear or some type of animal would come out that they would have to fight against, or another thing. So there's a lot going on here. It's gorgeous. This is the gateway of the living, according to the tour guide that just came up. When they were successful, that's the way they would go out. And I'm standing right above where right below me is where the emperor would actually be seated. So that's it. Hope you enjoy it. See you guys a little bit later when we get home. Peace out from Rome.